Hello viewers, in this video we'll see the term-wise syllabus for applied mathematics for class 12 for the session 2021-22. So for class 12 in term 1, the maximum marks allocated is 40 and the various units and their corresponding marks are given here. So the first unit, numbers, quantification and numerical applications, the marks allocated is 9. Then we have the second unit, algebra, with the corresponding marks 10. Then we have the third unit, calculus. In the third unit, calculus, we have some part of the third unit in term 1 and the remaining part in term 2. The allocation of marks for third unit calculus in term 1 is 6. Then we have the fourth unit, which is probability distribution, with the corresponding marks 10. And then the sixth unit is index numbers and time-based series. Again, in sixth unit also, there is some part of sixth unit included in term 1 and the remaining parts in term 2 with the allocation of marks 5. So all these add up to 40. So the external exam is for a maximum of 40 marks. Now we will see the syllabus for the first term for class 12. So under the first unit, numbers, quantification and numerical applications, these are the various topics. And then we have the second unit, algebra. The various topics under algebra are given here. And then we have the third unit, which is calculus. And under the third unit, differentiation and its application is included in term 1. The remaining two major topics are included in term 2. Under differentiation and its applications, the various topics included are given here. Then we have the fourth unit, probability distributions, with the corresponding topics. And then we have the sixth unit, index numbers and time-based data. In the sixth unit, the various topics included in term 1 are given. That is index numbers, construction of index numbers and test of adequacy of index numbers. These three topics are included in term 1. The remaining topics of unit 6 are included in term 2. Now coming to the internal assessment, here we have the weightage of internal assessment. So the project work and record has allocated marks 5 and term and presentation plus viva of the project is 5. So a total of internal marks 10 is given. Then the assessment plan for first term. Now coming to the syllabus for term 2 for class 12. In unit 3 calculus, it is a continuation. So under unit 3 calculus, there is integration and its applications and the various topics. Again under unit 3, the next major topic is differential equations and modeling and the subtopics are given. Then we have unit 5, inferential statistics and the various topics under unit 5. And then we have the sixth unit, index numbers and time-based data. It is a continuation of the term 1 topics. So the remaining topics of sixth unit are included here. And then we have the seventh unit, financial mathematics and the corresponding topics. Then we have the 8th unit, linear programming with the corresponding topics. And then we have the internal assessment for term 2 Under term 2, performance of practical and record carries 5 marks. Term and test of any one practical plus viva carries 5 marks. So there is a total of 10 marks, internal marks for term 2. And then the various suggested practicals. And then we have the assessment plan for second term. And then we have the list of suggested projects for class 11 and 12. Now coming to the deleted portions of applied mathematics class 12 for the academic year 2021-22, we will see what are the various topics. So in first unit, numbers, quantification and numerical applications, these two topics are removed, simple arithmetic functions and scheduling. So these two are not there. Then in the second unit, inverse of matrix using elementary row operations is not included. Only inverse of matrix using cofactors is included. Then unit 3, differentiation and its applications. Under application of derivatives, this topic, determine the rate of change of various quantities, and to find rate of change of various quantities such as area and volume with respect to time or its dimension. This topic is removed. Then under differential equations and modeling, in the same unit, unit 3 calculus, we don't have formulating and solving differential equations. This topic is not there. Then in unit 6, index numbers and time based data, applying unit test to test the adequacy of index numbers is deleted. Then in unit 7, stock, shares and debentures, this topic is removed. Then in unit 8, linear programming, the isocost or isoprofit method to find the optimal solution and identifying unbounded regions, these two topics are deleted. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching.